All right, guys, we've got our 2004 Chevy Tahoe. We're having a problem with this button here. It's supposed to turn off the inside lights, but when you press it, it does not do anything. So we're going to change out this switch and see if that does anything. So just because I know from changing the cluster, which tends to go bad on these vehicles as well, I know that it is important to put this all the way into first gear. The truck is not running, but we're going to just click this trim piece off. This whole piece is going to come off all the way around the dashboard here. It's just tabs in here. There's no screws or anything, so this will just pop right off. And we should be able to just take this off. I'm also going to just take the steering column and drop it all the way to the ground as well. And then this piece will come all the way out. So let's stick it up on the top here. The new piece for the switch, you see Delco part, I got it at AutoZone. The guy reminded me that it has a lifetime warranty as well, and it was cheaper than their Duralast lifetime warranty product.
Since I have a Summit Racing in town, I can get this part cheaper at Summit than I can from AutoZone.
So this is what we got, and my understanding is we just have a couple tabs on the bottom here that we just need to pull loose, and this switch should come right out. So we're going to do that, and I will show you guys how it's done. All right, so we had the two tabs at the bottom, were right there. You can see at the bottom of the headlight switch, two little tabs there, one at the top right here. So there's a tab at the top as well, but then just on the back here, just a little hole. Tab right there, would just push on that, and that's going to pull right out and put the new one in. It should be pretty simple. All right, so on the connector, just a small button right at the top here. Excuse my big hands and fingers, but just a quick button push, and then that one came off. We'll connect the other one and we'll slide it back in, and then we can put the trim piece back on, and it should be ready to roll. All right, so we got the new one back in there. Just clicks in. Looks a little bit different than the old one. The old one almost looks like it's got like a gray button, maybe it's just because it's worn out and old, but new one all black. It's the same AC Delco part, I believe. So easy stuff. All right, and then the proof is in the pudding. Press the button right now, turns off all the dome lights. Press it again, they all come back on. So I believe that was the problem. So got this thing fixed.